Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello everyone. So today I'm going to take up some basic statements that can be used in a classroom environment. So, how do you spell your name? How do we say that in Spanish? It is como se escribe tu nombre. Name is called nombre in Spanish. I don't understand. If you need to say that to a teacher, you say no comprendo. Comprender is the verb to understand. So, the first form of it is comprendo. Can you repeat that? How will you say that in Spanish? Puedes repetir. Work on the computer. It is trabajar en el ordenador. So, computer is called ordenador. Look at the board. Mirad la pizarra. Mirad la pizarra. Now, the blackboard is called pizarra. Look at the page. Mirad la página. Stand up, it's called Levantos, and sit down is called sentados. How will you say open your books? Abrid los libros. And silence please, it's silencio, por favor. Here are you, that is, here are you means either you can say, take it, so it's toma. Now, if you also have to say, I'm going to take the copy, the notebook, so you're going to say, voy a pasar cuaderno. These are some basic statements. However, there are many more that we can cover up in the future sessions, in the future videos. Would request you to please use them, and so that you get into the practice of using them in your class. And hope this video helps you in doing some basic conversation in the classroom environment. Gracias. Adios.